So, as you can see, it's snowing out here, and unfortunately, um, it's accumulating a lot up here. So it's adding a lot of weight on the tent, and I'm afraid it might collapse it. First time sleeping in snow since I started camping. So I'll be recording throughout the night, even though I have to work tomorrow. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm gonna start taking some snow off from the top and clearing it out for now. God damn, it's cold. Okay, so the right side, right over there. Oh, I managed to get the snow off. Oh god, I got snow on my eye. Left side still has snow. I haven't cleared it out yet, so you can tell the difference as to how much lower it is from here. So, pro tip: if you're gonna live in a tent in conditions that are like this constantly, you might want to get some sort of cover or a tarp to put on top to protect you from this, because I might have to put an alarm throughout the night, just like be clearing out the snow, just so the tent doesn't collapse on me while I'm sleeping. Oh god. Alright, I got most of the snow off. There's already some accumulating again, so yeah, it's gonna be a long night. It's gonna be fun though, it's a new experience. Well, not fun. It's not gonna be fun at all, to be honest. It is gonna be a new experience. And I think it looks beautiful. Of course, I've seen snow before, but it's been a while. I just wish it was under different circumstances. Well, I'm gonna change because I'm all wet now, and I gotta stay dry. So there's a lot of weight on the tent, as you can see. The top part is hanging very, very low. So I'll clear the snow and then I'll show you the difference. And for the most part, that's the difference right there. There's still a little bit of snow on top. So in order for me not to go outside, what I've been doing is just hitting it from the inside. And that's how much weight I took off just by doing that. It's past 10 o'clock right now, and for some reason it looks like if it were a lot earlier than that. It does not look like it's 10 o'clock. Oh shit. This is getting bad. I don't know if I'm going to be able to sleep at all tonight, to be honest. Oh well, let me try and get over here next to the house, that way. There we go. Oh shit, it's even worse. Wow. Okay, I turned off the flash because the flash was hitting the snow coming into the camera view, and it was just throwing it off focus. So anyway, so there's no flash, no light, nothing. It's approximately 10:30 p.m. I can't believe it. Anyway, I think the only good thing that's coming out of this is that my bed is there, and all that snow is keeping it pretty warm. Normally I get a little breeze under the tarps, but with all the snow like this, it's actually not too bad. try to get some sleep. I gotta have to work tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. I wake up about every 2 hours. It's 3 o'clock in the morning right now. As you can see, there's a lot of snow. It snowed all night, and it's been bad. I've been trying to clear the edges, but I just can't do enough. It's way too much. It just keeps snowing. It hasn't stopped. I'm waking up every 2 hours to clear the snow. Every time I wake up, there's so much snow on top. And the tent is shifting forward. I don't know what's causing that, and I don't know how to stop it. I don't know if it's gonna stay up all night. It's crazy. I mean, we're at a few inches, maybe 6 inches right now. And I'm extremely tired. I'm not sure why, but as I was saying, the tent is shifting forward, so there's a lot of weight on there. Everything is being pushed to the front. I already have all the snow cleared from the top, so I'm not sure why it's like that. I can't seem to find the source of that, of what's causing that. But I hope it doesn't get much worse throughout the night. And the tent is already starting to rip on some parts. Well, this is the only rip that I found so far. And that's because of this, which is pushing forward. It's putting so much pressure on this. And this side is the same way. I'm not sure what's going on. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, you can tell. I haven't slept much. Anyway, it stopped snowing, so it survived. I don't know what the permanent damages are, but it's still leaning forward, which sucks. But it's still standing. I had to wait till the snow clears out so I can know what happened and how to fix it. But we managed to do it. And this is how it looks. I guess and I hope that once... Oh, there we go again. It's snowing again. Oh no, I have to go to work. I can't be checking up on my tent. Anyway, I hope that once all this snow clears right here, maybe that's what's putting pressure on it and pushing it forward. And once that clears, hopefully it'll go back to how it was. But for now, it's looking bad. I don't think you guys could see how bad it is, how pushed forward it is right now, just from looking at it from the outside and with these little videos. But it is pretty bad. We've made it. This is the second day. It stopped snowing yesterday, so it only snowed for one day, one night. Unfortunately, there's a lot of shade back here, so the snow hasn't melted back here. But for the most part, it's almost gone. It hasn't snowed, and I doubt it'll snow today or tomorrow or a couple days from now. So we made it. The tent made it, which is what I was worried about. Everything's all right. I hope that it all melts tomorrow, hopefully, because today apparently it didn't, and it's already getting late, so I doubt it'll melt by tonight. So unfortunately, some of my lamps, my solar lamps, are damaged, and I hope I could just stick them back to where they were at. I don't think they're permanently damaged. So that's everything. The tent made it. Constant treatment at night. I'm gonna have a lot of water around it. Hopefully that doesn't cause any more problems than the snow caused. But that's that. My tent survived it. I won't have to buy another tent. Hopefully I'll just stitch that part on the door where it would be getting to rip, and that'll be it.